Today we're going to take a look how to make some sliced text here in Illustrator. For the font, I'm going to choose the Planet Cosmos. And by the way, not all the fonts are working for this tutorial, so I'm going to go with this and right click on the font, select Create Outlines. From here, we're going to need to activate the gradient, click on the gradient, and for the angle, I'm going to type in 45-degree angles. Now let's go to the object, click on Expand, and let's go to the spacing, and in my situation, I'm going to go with like 12, click OK. So this is going to slice the gradient, and then let's go here to the Pathfinder at the Properties, click on the three dots and select the Trim. Let's go and select it, and after you trim it, let's go and select the Rotate tool. Double click on it. In my situation, I'm going to type in minus 45-degree angles, and click OK. Let's go to the Effect, Distort and Transform, and select Transform. And here I'm going to need to increase the vertical, and as you can see, all the slices in the text are going down at once. So what we're going to need to do is go down here the box with the random, check it, and this is going to randomize the slice. So I'm going to try to increase it nice and high, for example 34, click OK, and I'm going to go to the object again, Expand Appearance, and I'm going to remove the unnecessary parts, for example, these invisible shapes. Select all the elements, and I'm going to add a white. Click on the stroke, so it's going to be on the top, and I'm going to select the black, decrease the stroke thickness, and you also can customize the letters to make it more clear by dragging these. This is looking pretty good. I'm going to select all of it, right click, and select Group. Now we're going to go back to the Rotate tool, double click, and type in 45-degree angles. So this is going to bring the text back to normal. I'm also going to go to Object, Transform, select a Reset Bounding Box. Also press and hold Shift to create a duplicate. I'm going to select the bottom one, change up the fill to black. Now I think this came out too sliced, but it's pretty badass. So pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching.